In this video, I explain how you can recognize anxiety disorders. It's about what you can do if you or someone close to you shows signs of anxiety disorders. An anxiety disorder is a mental illness in which people experience excessive fear. This fear is often very intense and occurs without a clear reason. It can appear in various forms, for example as constant worries or sudden panic attacks. Anxiety disorders can significantly affect the life of the person concerned and limit them in their everyday life. The most common symptoms of an anxiety disorder include constant nervousness and uncontrollable fears. The affected person may feel very tense and may also have physical complaints such as trembling or palpitations. Sometimes sleep problems also occur because the anxiety doesn't subside. These symptoms can significantly impair the daily life of the individual concerned. It is important to know that fear is a normal emotion that everyone experiences from time to time. An anxiety disorder is present when the fear is excessive and persistent. When the fear becomes so strong that it disrupts the everyday life of the person affected, it is referred to as a disorder. This excessive fear then occurs without a recognizable reason. Panic attacks are a common symptom of anxiety disorders. During a panic attack, the person suddenly feels very anxious, as if something terrible is about to happen. Physical symptoms such as trembling, sweating, or shortness of breath are also typical. These attacks can often occur without warning and are very frightening. Some people suffer from social anxiety, which manifests as great nervousness in social situations. They often fear being judged negatively or making mistakes. These fears can be so intense that they try to avoid social contact. Social anxiety can severely restrict daily life, because the person concerned often avoids interactions. A generalized anxiety disorder is characterized by excessive worry that relates to many different areas of life. Those affected often fear everyday things such as work or school. These worries can become very burdensome and keep the person in a constant state of alertness. Often the fear is so strong that it is difficult to control. There are various reasons why people may develop anxiety disorders. Genetic factors play a role, as do childhood experiences or traumatic events. An unhealthy lifestyle or constant stress can also contribute. However, it is rarely just one cause that leads to an anxiety disorder. To determine whether someone is suffering from an anxiety disorder, a doctor or psychologist will usually conduct a conversation. They will ask about the symptoms and the life situation of the person affected. In some cases, a questionnaire may also be filled out. An accurate diagnosis is important in order to find the right treatment. Anxiety disorders can be treated in various ways. One of the most common treatment methods is therapy, in which the affected person learns to deal with their fears. Medications can also help relieve the symptoms. In many cases, a combination of both is particularly effective.